ask you a quick question. When's the last time that you really felt like your soul was on fire, like you were alive, you had the energy in life that you've always wanted, you were in flow, things were happening, you knew what you wanted, you were smiling, you were excited to wake up? When's the last time you had that feeling? So many people have to pause and think about, when was that? Or they just can't even pinpoint when that ever happened or was ever alive in their lives. So people are usually in one of three different scenarios, either overwhelmed to the point where it feels like your brain is like a snow globe, right? That you've got all this snow in your head and that you just can't think straight. Or you don't like what you have right now, but just don't know what to do instead. Or you do know what you want and you just don't know how to activate that. And that's why I created Find Your Fire Within, which is a 90-minute program that helps you tap back into who you are, build that spark, light you up, and bring that fire back alive.